You won't fail any question on differentiation of a function using product rule after watching this video. When you are given a function y is equals to 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 3. Okay? Product rule in differentiation is used to differentiate a function, say y, when we have two different functions multiplying themselves. For instance, to differentiate this function, we first of all assign the first variable to be u. You can use any letter you like, and the second variable to be v. Let u to be 2x plus 1 and v to be x squared minus 3. These are the two functions we have. Then to differentiate this function, you can now see that y can be redefined in terms of u and v to be uv. Okay? Then to differentiate this function uv using product rule, the formula says that dy dx using product rule is equal to u dv dx multiply u when you differentiate v with respect to x plus multiply v when you differentiate u with respect to x. So all we have to do is to differentiate these two functions separately. That means differentiating u with respect to x will now be equals to, this is u, we are differentiating 2x, and that's basically 2, because when you minus 1 from the power, you have 0. Any variable 1 is 2. Then we have to differentiate v with respect to x. This is our v, x to the power of 2. So we'll multiply 2, x to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is basically 2x. So differentiating v with respect to x is 2x. Good. Now we have to put it in this formula. That means dy dx is equal to, our u is 2x, right? We have it as 2x plus 1, multiplying our dv, differentiation with respect to v, which is 2x again, then plus, what is our v? X squared minus 3. X squared minus 3, which is what? 2. Okay? So expand. 2 this to distribute to every term in the bracket. So 2x times 2x, 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x squared. Then 2x times 1 is plus 2x. Then 2 times x squared is what? Plus 2x squared. Then 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. So let's collect like terms. 4x squared plus 2x squared is basically 6x squared. Then 2x plus 6. And that's the correct answer. Okay? That's the correct answer. So this is differentiating y with respect to x. Here we have y is equals to x sine x. We are trying to differentiate y with respect to x. To do that, you first of all know our formula that dy dx, differentiating y with respect to x, under product rule is u dv with respect to x plus v du with respect to x. Now we have to assign our u and our v. For me, I prefer to make u the first term in the expression. So I can say that u is equal to x and v is equals to sine x. U is x, v is sine x. Okay? So y will now be in terms of what? uv. Then let's differentiate. First thing first, we have to differentiate u with respect to x. What is our u? X. So if you differentiate x with respect to x, that means you are having it to be 1. Differentiate v with respect to x. V is sine x. If you differentiate sine x is an identity, you are going to have it as cos x. Okay? Then, since we have this, you can now see that differentiating y with respect to x is now equal to u. Our u is x. You have it as x times our dv is cos x times cos x plus v is sine x. We have it as sine x. Then the u is 1 times we are having it to be x times cos x is s cos x, then plus sine x, because sine x times 1 is sine x.